Before we get rolling with this video, if you like the videos, or this one at least, after, like it, helps a lot, makes YouTube's algorithm thingy-majigger, however that rolls, makes them promote the video, whatever, and makes more people see it, and helps me want to make more of these. So, and if you haven't yet, subscribe, that helps too, thanks. So, get to the video. So, I'm trying to find a good spot to put that camera in the cab, so you can kind of see how the loading is from inside the cab. I got a spot on the roof I can put the camera, which I might put it up there, just to see how, you can kind of see how it looks from up top. But I don't got my drone with me today, so I'm not gonna fly that. But maybe where I got it right now on a back corner post, it's kind of to the side, but you should be able to see past my head. But also be able to see the bucket, I think, right there. I'll have to check later. But anyways, normally when you're running like 2 box spreaders like we were yesterday, loading's kind of boring. They just sit there and kind of wait. But with the 3 that we got going, and every now and then we'll get 4 going. All depends on how many people we got and stuff like that. But with 3 going, and they're not spreading too far away from me, so they don't really have a haul. They pretty much load up. They drive like 100, 200 feet. And they start spreading right away. So by the time I get one guy full, the next one's already coming. I mean, right now I'm filling up Alex, my sister-in-law. She's running the 7495. And right behind her, Stan, he's coming up right now. He's one of our employees. He's running our MX120. We got 2 New Holland, I think they're 790 box spreaders that we have, and then one of them is a new idea. Pretty much all the same size. The New Holland ones are a little bit bigger. They can hold one more tractor bucket, but it's not a big deal. And we run so many of these little spreaders, mostly because they're cheap. I mean, they're cheap to buy, pretty dang cheap to keep maintenance. There's not too much that can go wrong with other than the chain snap, which does happen because they're old. But when you go out to try buying a new box spreader, you'll be spending $20,000 to $60,000. It's not even surprising to spend. I mean, this little box spreader right here, brand new, costs $20,000. And it holds like 4 of these buckets right here. So you try to get one of those massive ones, that's up to $40,000 to $60,000 trying to get one of those. So that's why we just get these old ones. You can buy them for a couple of grand and run them for a couple of years until they're really done. Repeat the cycle pretty much. So it's always worked for us, and we don't have a crazy amount of manure. So having these little box spreaders isn't the end of the world. Sometimes it gets a little tedious when we do have a little bit more than normal, but it just means we have to run a day or 2 longer. Couple minutes before the next load. Can't have no music in the videos. Old YouTube don't like that. Don't want to get flagged. But anyways, since I'm waiting for a couple minutes for the next one, figure I'd tell you a little bit about the tractors and anything else. So we actually, this is another 8480. We got 2 of them. We have mine, which we put the tires on. this winter in the previous video. And then we got this one. This one's a 2005. The other one's a 2007. We bought this one first, and then we used to put the push plate on this one. We have like a mounting bracket, the underbelly mounting bracket system for it. And then when we bought the other one, we wanted to get it the 3-point hitch arm so we could put the blade on the front. It gives us the ability to pick it up higher than the mounting bracket did. And then we wanted to buy a bucket system for this one because we like having a big tractor for the bucket system, especially for pushing grass, because you don't have to worry about spinning the tractor out as much. And then it's just easier on the tractor overall, just to have a big tractor on the bucket system. And then it's also just nice for loading manure because it's not struggling in this kind of mud a little bit. It's a little soft, but these big tires on it. It's got 600s on the front and 680s on the back. So it doesn't struggle in the mud at all, really. Well, I guess that's it for this video. We got the pile was all the way over there, as you can see. We've got it pushed back to here. We've got a couple more truckloads to get rid of. I don't think, at least I know I won't be working on that tomorrow. I'm going to be running the triaxle shit tank again. Maybe we'll have some of our other employees come out like the other day, the other field we were in. They might finish it up tomorrow, depending on what work we have to do and other stuff around the farm. But that's it for today. If you liked the video, like it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.